But I really appreciate for them to confirm that men are not sleeping. Later on, they collect it Wotowoto. Let there be peace in Okigwe. There are our mothers, many of our mothers, that have never farmed for over 5 to 6 years now. I had the information that people were trooping in down to that Okigwe villages. Now they have come and shot. Tomorrow now, the mothers will now pack their load and go out again and run away again. Next tomorrow, they will turn back and say that it is Biafra Liberation Army, Gentle the Yahoo gang, that are chasing them away. Onye adokwala nwa agụ akala ọdụ ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onye adokwala nwa agụ akala ọdụ ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Hope, call your men in order. Hope, call your Fulani Caliphate, call your Fulani jihadists, call your Fulani Janjaweed, call your Fulani in uniform in order. They should stop setting our houses ablaze.
I will tell, mother didn't tell. Having a primary school, about primary school, Oku.
Just since our primary school ablaze.
29th. 29th. I got that Tuesday.
29th.
I got that Tuesday.
Wednesday.
That Wednesday. Today being Wednesday. 2026. Here April, I know. Why April? April 29th. When you're not Okigwe. Ndani ebidekwele again.
Make they kill ordinary sergeant or custodian in Southeast, and I go find way by the whole community, the whole village, even pregnant woman and not kill her. It go well like that, and I say I want Nigeria. Now they can't just the prison. He don't do anything because he see the oppressive intimidation. How now they treat us? He say no, we go our own. Now this, when I call her name. The worst part, the government, the honorable member, they busy, they use bad boys, they kill, they will send a Biafra. They use bad boys, they do kidnapping, they send a Biafra. We know the game. Insecurity in the Southeast, now then they do a move, but they will send an IPOB, they will send a Biafra. All the dirty game, now then they do. We know.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jig TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone, your location, and wherever you are watching us from. Today being 30th day of April 2026, the last day of April, we, the team of Magnetic Jig TV, is bringing you this news. No be small thing, no. Okudiover in Okigwe. Wotowoto is going on in Okigwe. The Biafran Liberation Army is giving them Wotowoto in Okigwe. Listen to Gentle the Yahoo, how it is going right now in Okigwe. But the sad part of it is that after the Wotowoto between the Biafran Liberation Army and the Niger Army came back, went straight to this particular primary school and set it ablaze. And some other houses around the area, they set it ablaze, and they were shooting sporadically in the air, so scaring people away, making people to run healthy scatter. And that is what is not going down well with Gentle the Yahoo, as Gentle the Yahoo on the parlor for this message. Just listen to Gentle the Yahoo. No be smart,
Yeah, my wonderful people of Biafra, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. I greet you all lovers of freedom, all supporters of freedom. I greet you all. I just want to bring this information because I had the information today, being 29th of June, being 29th of April, if I am not mistaken, 2026, the same way the military came the other time and shot one woman and one man to death. That is the same way. That is the same way they have came again today and set house, a school, a private school that was built by one man from Anko, Okigwe. The house was resided all opposite for Omaosa. I know the reason why I am bringing up these informations. Because tomorrow, they will turn around and say that this is the handwork of the Biafra Liberation Ekberimas, criminals, terrorists, and all that. Okigwe is very quiet and calm. These people passed towards from Umlolo Junction. They started shooting rascally. From that place to Umukele, they shot anyhow, in which many people got injured. Many individuals, 2 women got injured on that process. After they might have touched Obletiti, they went to a place in Abobo where people were doing their peaceful burial. And in that community, nothing like Biafra Liberation Army, nothing like anything, even in the road, nobody retaliated on them. Nobody shot any shot on them. But on their way after, went to the place of the burial, that the people who was doing their burial, they started shooting anyhow, to the extent of they injured many people in Abobo, where people were doing their peaceful burial. Today, make your findings, make your investigation on what I am saying. This is information I am gotten today. I know the reason why I am still saying this. I know the reason why that I am bringing up this information. Now, we have decided for peace to reign in Okigwe, in Olu, in Owerri, in Anambra, in Enugu, Ebonyi State, Abia State, Alioma. We want peace in Southeast. Now, these people have started again. These people have started again. Now, on their way coming back, reaching Omausa, Afo Omausa, opposite Afo Omausa, there is a place that a man from Ako built a school, a private school. These people now stopped and went to that primary school and set it ablaze, in which I will play the video for everyone to watch it. This is the same way they shot a woman and a man to death. And after every, their agent, the agent of the Fulani Caliphate, now turn it against the Biafra Liberation Army. That is why I am bringing this one up. The same way one Efulefu from Omawa is making a video, tagging the video to Biafra Liberation Army. Stupid elements, stupid idiotic human beings, bombed by Fulani Caliphate, missing blood we have in our lands. The same way they set schools and the health center ablaze. Later on, they turn the thing against us. They turn it around and throw the allegation on us that we are the one that set it ablaze. Now they have started again. But I really appreciate for them to confirm that men are not sleeping. Later on, they collect it Wotowoto. Let there be peace in Okigwe. There are our mothers, many of our mothers, that have never farmed for over 5 to 6 years now. I had the information that people were trooping in down to that Okigwe villages. Now they have come and shot. Tomorrow now, the mothers will now pack their load and go out again and run away again. Next tomorrow, they will turn back and say that it is Biafra Liberation Army, Gento the Yahoo gang, that are chasing them away. I know the reason why I am asking this. I am not the reason why I am saying this now. 5 good years and that we fought this. We fought this war. Nothing that has been done. No. Onya adokwala nwa agụ akala ọdụ ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onye adokwala nwa agụ akala ọdụ ma ọ dị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Hope, call your men in order. Hope, call your Fulani Caliphate, call your Fulani jihadists, call your Fulani Janjaweed, call your Fulani in uniform in order. They should stop shooting innocent Biafrans like cows and fowls. They should stop setting our houses ablaze. Call them in order. Call them in order. Biafrans, I greet you all. Thanks. God bless all of you.
Ekwulo ndị mbara ọkụ na Okigwe na ndị mbara Okigwe bịa gbulo mmadụ ọkụ. Bịa gbulo mmadụ ọkụ na lekwe ọka na-enwe ọkụ sef. The house bịa gba school ọkụ. Akwata 29. Akwata 29. Lekwe ụlọ ha gbara ọkụ na primary school. Primary school no. Aya wonye na ha na ga-awụ n'ike agwa elekwe. Ụlọ ha gbara ọkụ. Ọka na-enwe ọkụ. Ọka na-enwe ọkụ. Ọwintel, mmadụ nyere hintel. Ha bịa na primary school abịa gba primary school ọkụ.
Just since our primary school are blue.
Taa 29th. 29th. Akwata awụ Tuesday.
29.
Akwata Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Taa Wednesday. Today being Wednesday. 2026. Here April ka ino. Onye April? April 29th. Kwenye ya na Okigwe. Ndani ebidokwele again. Ndani ebidokwele again.
Lenia. They start now 29th of April. Akunu na here. Akunu na here. Ndami bịa gbulo ọkụ. Bịa school ọkụ. School ana here for many years. Akunu na here. Ndami bịa gba ya ọkụ. Akwa chọka peace. Akwa ịhụ ya. Ha bịa gba ya ọkụ le ọ dachachala. Akunu na here. Learning school. Ọ ka na-enwukwe na-atakwa. Ọ ka na-atakwa. Lekwe ni ya. Akunu na here. Ọ dachachala just na they play the show. Akunu na here. Here 29 of April. Akunu na here. Le ya. Ọ dachachala. Learning ya. Ọrịa lepịata. Ọrịa lepịata.
Ekwulo ndị mbara ọkụ na Okigwe na
Ọrịa lepịata. Lewe ya.
ndị mbara Okigwe bịa gbulo mmadụ ọkụ.
Taa 29. Life and direct. Akunu na here.
Bịa gbulo mmadụ ọkụ na lekwe ọka na-enwe ọkụ sef.
Akunu na here.
The house
Ha sa men attack. Akunu na
bịa
here.
gba school ọkụ.
Akunu na here.
Akwata 29. Akwata 29. Lekwe ụlọ ha gbara ọkụ na primary school. Primary school no. Aya wonye na ha na ga-awụ n'ike agwa elekwe. Ụlọ ha gbara ọkụ. Ọka na-enwe ọkụ. Ọka na-enwe ọkụ. Ọwintel, mmadụ nyere hintel. Ha bịa na primary school abịa gba primary school ọkụ.
Just since our primary school are blue.
Taa 29th. 29th. Akwata awụ Tuesday.
29.
Akwata Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Taa Wednesday. Today being Wednesday. 2026. Here April ka ino. Onye April? April 29th. Kwenye ya na Okigwe. Ndani ebidokwele again. Ndani ebidokwele again.
Lenia. They start now 29th of April. Akunu na here. Akunu na here. Ndami bịa gbulo ọkụ. Bịa gba school ọkụ. School ana here for many years. Akunu na here. Ndami bịa gba ya ọkụ. Akwa chọka peace. Akwa ịhụ ya. Ha bịa gba ya ọkụ le ọ dachachala. Akunu na here. Learning school. Ọ ka na-enwukwe na-atakwa. Ọ ka na-atakwa. Lekwe ni ya. Akunu na here. Ọ dachachala just na they play the show. Akunu na here. Here 29 of April. Akunu na here. Le ya. Ọ dachachala. Learning ya. Ọrịa lepịata. Ọrịa lepịata. Lewe ni ya. Ọrịa lepịata. Lewe ya. Taa 29. Life and direct. Akunu na here. Lekwe ni ya. Lewe ni ya. Akunu na here. Ha sa men attack. Akunu na here. Akunu na here.
Biafran's General Asabuja is now giving a very good advice to Southeast, to Biafran people. He said that he will never deny his identity, that he is an Igbo and he is a Biafran man. That what is going on in the country right now is sided judgment. That anything that happened in the north, the forces of Nigeria will not take it serious. But if a small thing happened in southeast, they will gather all their asna, gather all their men to come and buy the Igbo people without any remorseful. Guy, listen to Asabuja, because these days Asabuja has been a very, very outspoken person without fearing any damn person. He has been speaking for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and for things to come, or for things to be normal again in Southeast and in Biafra in general.
Nnamdi Kanu just the prison. He don't do anything because he see the oppressive intimidation. How now they treat us? He said, no, we go our own. 90 this. On a call and name. The worst part, the government, the honorable member, they busy, they use bad boys, they kill, they will send a Biafra. They use bad boys, they do kidnapping, they send a Biafra. We know the game. Insecurity in the southeast. Now then they do a move, but they will send an IPOB, they will send a Biafra. All the dirty game, now then they do. We know. You go well like that. You don't go well now. When we talk, they say, I catch him, I arrest him. I be activist. I be freedom fighter. I be warlord. Nnamdi Kanu na my friend. Nnamdi Kanu na my oga. Na my boss. Na my mazi. That's what I tell them. I say, I add new name. I be now mazi. Na mazi I be mazi General Asabuja. The dirty water. The Musa of the cherubim. The Okigwe of the Seraph, the mazi himself. They call it terrorist organization, terrorist organization, terrorist organization, terrorist organization. Bandits, they busy, they kill, you don't give them name. The world, America, United Nations, they know the bandits in the north as what a terrorist organization. They know how these people, when these people now, Turkey, they give them arm. Different Arab nations, they give them arm. How did they get arm? How do they get ammunition tools? Open, they give them. But if in southeast, I don't tell them. Ordinary say they kill ordinary recruit for OD those days. Then give order, they wipe all the community come out. They don't kill inspector, they don't kill captain or major, they don't kill colonel. Just say they kill one army man for OD. One of us said president, or the president, and I see what thing they do us. Then what I go OD by myself, go OD. No only church and first bank that remain for OD. Only church and first bank. They finish everybody with OD. Both old women will be 100 and both old women will be 90 something years. They kill all. Both old papa, where they use walking stick, they kill everybody. A job people don't know remember the days what happened for OD. Niger that I don't remember what happened for OD. These people don't like us. They don't love us. Their aim is to finish us, make them take over. These Fulani people, now their aim. These bandits, now their aim. This bad government to them, now their plan. Now their doings. To waste us. It don't go well. We need to see love. The Bible says be careful for nothing. Such is be careful for nothing. The Bible says be careful for nothing. Such is be careful for nothing. I see so I know they careful. Rather than they busy, they sell on our brothers. They sell on our loved ones. Fulani they busy, they protect their own. They keep their own. They defend their own. Election knowledge, you know. And I see the squad, the military, the uniform with their own carry come for Southeast. Say in the name of IPOB, name of Biafra. See them. When our youth gather, they kill them. Our youth want to beg the party, they kill them. Our youth want to get together, anything, they set them up. Call them IPOB. They kill. But I know how they kill some people when they go where the last time said that them behind Biafra. In Imo State. People when they go where they kill all the youth, kill them, say them be Biafra. Who do them? Hope also danger. Hope also danger and do them. But remember, say one day you go come up for power. Anybody where they do all this, remember one day you go come up for seat. You don't go there, they are permanent. Let me give example. Make gonna check people who don't be former governors. Make gonna check people who don't be former president. It's not permanent. Amend your way. Honorable member, politician, amend what your way. Make we amend our way. Make we know the power we forget. Make we know the power we no send. Make we know the power we buy our brothers. When we enter power, we betray our brothers. Amend your way. You don't go well. This killing for Sati is not too much. Not they busy. They see the one where they show for camera, where social media they carry. Now the small one. An army man called me. The one with social media they carry now the small one. Go see the one with camera no pick. Where government defend them, block, no video. Military cover everywhere, no video. They don't allow you to video. Uniform no allow you to video. The one many way they happen for not. Uniform no allow you to video. Go see them. Every day they happen, every day. What did they fight for? Now then get country. They run the surroundings, just the key. They behead people. What did they fight for? When we talk our own on a fight way to kill us. Fulani do meeting here. Bandits do meeting. They wear the assistant commissioner of police uniform. They patrol everywhere. Enter town, nothing happen. Make them do it for Southeast. Make them do it for Southeast, and I go find way wipe us. What did we do on? What did Southeast do on? Fulani they here. They kill Brigadier General. How many Brigadier General they don't kill? How many Major General they don't kill? Nothing they happen. Make they kill ordinary sergeant or custodian in Southeast, and I go find way by the whole community, the whole village, even pregnant woman and they'll kill them. It go well like that, and they say I want Nigeria. One Nigeria like this. Truth no good. When somebody talk truth, on a fine way to kill them. Somebody talk truth, on a fine way to buy them. Somebody talk truth, on a fine way to set them up. On a fine way to frame them up. When I begin set trap to catch the person. I never involved for robbery, kidnapping, stealing, raping. Go verify for division police. Verify from area command, state CID. Verify from local vigilante. Right now my duty, I protect. Verify from indigenous and non-indigenous. And then they do that work. Rather, I guide the community, guide the local government. Me and my boys work to secure state and country. I hate injustice. Insecurity don't too much. The killing on a no send. Every day they will buy people for not on a they talk. Rather on a day busy to send soldiers come for Southeast, come kill IPOB, come kill Biafra. He leave the ones where they kill people every day. He leave the one where they buy people every day. On a they talk that one. And I said I want Nigeria. Go see how many people where they kill. Rather, on a don't do it 700 and something bandits, Fulani, on I want put them into government, on I want put them into military, on I want put them into uniform, on I want put them for all position. When they put them for uniform, any day trouble happen for Southeast, on oppose them called Southeast to come kill mama, kill papa, kill pregnant woman, kill young and old on a plan. Toss to the reducers. How many million on a don't kill of the Southeast? The time of war, Ojuku time, well, the war happened, Biafra war, Nigeria war. We hear the story, how many million on a kill. Right from that time till the I see the bios, see the kill Southeast, see the kill Igbo. Right from that time till today, I see the kill Igbo. It good. Igbo man never be vice president for one day, on I say one Nigeria. Right from time, Odumogo Juku my father. Odumogo Juku my oga. Odumogo Juku, my papa. Right from that time till today, on a just the by Southeast, the by Igbo, the kill us, on a one finish us, on a one waste us, on a one reduce us. What do we do on that? On they tell us one Nigeria. What do we do on that? On the worst part, on they use our people, they kill us. See our governors then. No be all of them, some of the governors. See our honorable member, our politician, small contract, they will set us up. Small appointments, they will even betray us, sell us. But Fulani they sell their own people. Fulani they betray their people. Rather, they secure them. Rather, they keep them. Rather, they protect them. Rather, they defend them. Go verify. They do what they defend their own Fulani. They keep them. DSS and police security uniform no go talk say all these people they no fit track them. But on a Southeast they sabi track people. Track them. Tracking they work where Fulani dey. Fulani dey busy, they do video, they post, they kill, they do video. They do video on a day they track them. They no fit trace them. They no fit catch them. For Southeast, I don't talk last time. The person where you greet to good morning, they will go arrest them. The store where you enter go buy something for Southeast, they will go carry them. Say without Biafra boy we come buy something here, they will arrest them. Where you mama? For Southeast here, you do something, they will arrest your mama, arrest your papa, arrest your brother. You go where? Now one Nigeria be this. You when they listen to me, now one Nigeria. Now love be this, now unity be this. General Asabuja the great honor. The Musa of the cherubim, the Okigwe of the seraph, the Wotowoto. I always say one love to everybody. Those who hate me, those who gossip me, dislike me, those who don't like me, I still say with you one love. What will they drag? What will they fight for? Make I chip in small things. Make I talk small things. I don't tell on our land grabbers those days. Our duty and my duty is to fight them. But when I fight, I succeed, no wahala. I fight, I no succeed, no wahala. But no be because you say, General, come help me for land. You give me money. I do my best. I try my way, no work. You say, give you money back. You know they work, oh. You know they work. You can hire me as a security officer. You can lease me to help you and do your land fight land grabbers. Approach them, talk to them, tell them to leave your land. If you work, you take. If you don't work, you leave. But not because they give me peanuts, you give me this one. He say return money back. And then they do a more. And then they do and make the masses hear them. And I use this opportunity to tell the masses. Make anyone no contact say, in one buy gun, you know one buy gun. And can't sell gun, no sell gun. And then they sell gun, no, and no get gun. No come with me sell gun. If you want to test me, if you want to try me, or they send you to set me up, or they send you to come frame me up, or they send you to come betray me, you want buy gun, you don't want buy gun. You carry money give me, I go chop them. I go chop them. You see people when they call me for phone. Sir, I won't buy gun. Sir, I need gun. I won't buy gun. And they sell gun. I know where they sell gun. You don't know where you go buy gun. If now set up, it won't set me. If now any for send you, anybody will send you, then I say you don't go work. Because as you worry me, I go tell you bring the money. I go chop the money. Wait for you. Wait for that gun. Wait for your trouble. I will chop the money. I will do it to chop the money. You don't know where they buy gun. You don't know where they sell gun. Because some people they come and say, I won't buy gun. Yeah, I won't buy. And they sell gun. So make everybody respect themselves. Make everybody do on their own. You get land, wahala, you don't get land. Then land grabber take your land. I go try my best. If I try, no work. I surrender. I need the key. I need the buy person. I be activist. I be freedom fighter. I be warlord. So notice say you can't set me up. Notice say you can't frame me up. You know hard woman being, opposition, honorable member politician, party government, RNG government, before they go come. And they tell everybody to make them down where. Before they go come setting themselves up. They know they find what they will set me up or frame me up. You know the work. People they call me, they tell me. People they call me, they give me information. And they activists. Because I talk of Nnamdi Kanu and they find way to set me up. I talk of IPOB, Biafra, and I find way to set me up. I don't tell them Biafra, IPOB no be terrorist organization. Now Nigeria government name them like that. Now Nigeria court name them. What of the bandits? What do they want out there? If IPOB, Biafra, a terrorist organization, if them be the team one I call them, then get branch for US. Then get office for US. Then get branch for UK, for London. Then get for Thailand. Then get for Canada. Then get for Finland. Then get for Germany, France. They get everywhere. Those who will be on a call terrorist organization, they get branch in another country. Another country leave them to stay. They don't declare them wanted. They don't pursue them. They don't arrest them. They turn to terrorist organization before they say we won't go our own. We won't do our own. The oppress and the cheating and the intimidation not too much. On a fine label them. On a fine name, give them. On a fine something, call them. When you want kill God and dog. When you want kill dog, you find one name, give them. When you want set somebody up, you begin find one thing to do them. You begin find something where you set somebody up. See, ma tell her, Nnamdi Kanu na good man. Ma say Nnamdi Kanu na nice man. Till tomorrow, ma say Nnamdi Kanu remain my friend. He remain my oga. He remain my brother. He remain my boss. I need to hide them. Nnamdi Kanu need the thief, need the rob, need the kidnap. People use his name, they do dirty work. What about the Fulani then? The bandits, what did they fight for? Oil now we get. The resources now, we Southeast get up. Now we East get up. Now we Niger Delta get up. So the Fulani bandits when they kill people, what did they fight for?
Biafrans, listen to this very young man as he narrates his own order, his own story with the Nigerian police people, how they treated him and how they wanted to buy him because they want to extort money from him. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Just like Gentle Dear who said, let there be peace. Peace is what we want. All this bye-bye don't take. No more. We don't need bye-bye anymore. Please, let there be peace. Let there be peace. Peace is love. We all love you. Bye.
Picture on that babu. Some guy transfer 500,000. Cock ebe. Naga babum. My brother man yande. So I can't say happen himself. And why him minute? And what offense? Committed. Notice yan ebem no man's land. Yota. Mende when he came babum brumoto meraria. So I have no reason. Mwana hebi bawolu. But has no waga bulatram. Would I document Ukraine? Mne na alotram alota nwa school no kanwo. No go Russia with Ukraine here bulatram. Mkwosef nani akanti nde piagam. Mhune enwem choice. Enwem any other alternative. Eyota. Thank God kamnyeta kura hego ha haprom nudo. Eyota ha babufu because here mega no win justice. O tele here abidre. O tele this kind thing na abidre. Agekuole garole. Eyota. Ote ebidele mo ega de tin aka. Let's just pick up. You wanna get meshi police. Sise meshi ha. They are chewing more than they can bite. What bane shasu the English? Police ibuge many people. Police ibuge many people. Parents ma hebam na enwere ike eche na nna owere ama na eruole ma Anambra. So ya wo na eturu m etu ahụ ma aga na etu m n'Imo State ama na eburule m ruo Anambra. Nna akọ ihe experience ndị na aga eji ya amụta ihe ụfọdụ n'ime eche na ọnya asị. Mgbe a mụrụ nwa m nwoke ọhụrụ esi m ga ọkpa ala aloga. Police lere taya moto mgbawa ya sị m kwuo na ya ọgbagbuo m here nobody will talk. Eyota so ha amara na sị enwe onye ga-apụta na be ikwu. Ọ ihe he ji araga ụmụchi ndị ha araga. so ya wunu unu ga-enyere anyị aka nyere na anyị aka ihe polisi na-ama igbuga na South East na my brother ọkakpa Boko Haram onwe anyị insecurity n'ebe ka ya polisi rụga ihe niile ha rụga simple